Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Zara. I'm from PBID class, and my student number is 240411000103. Okay, title of the study: Teacher Perception Toward and Use of English Textbooks and EFL Classrooms. Authors: Siti Nurhayati Dinia, and volume, issue, years, and journal name: Journal of English and Education, Volume 1, and issue 2, 2013. Research finding: this study found that textbooks play a crucial role in the English as the foreign language teaching process as the function as the primary instructional research for teachers. Textbooks help teachers plan lessons, organize classroom activities, and establish clear learning goals. They also provide structure, guidance, and consistency in the teaching process, which is especially important in schools with limited resources. When textbooks are uni- unavailable or insufficient, teachers face significant difficulties. They must create or search for materials independently, which requires more preparation time of often lead to inconsistence in the quality and relevance of the learning content. Teachers may also struggle to select material that meet student proficiency levels, making it harder to support student language development effectively. As a result, the absence of textbook reduces the efficiency and the effectiveness of the overall teaching and learning process. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.